The piston stop is part of your nail gun's head valve assembly. The stop cushions the piston as it returns to the top of the cylinder and holds it in the proper location for the next shot. Over time, the piston stop can harden and crack or crumble. This can lead to an air leak. Replacing the piston stop is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the cap from the nail gun. Now I'll remove the head valve assembly from the cap. I'll carefully pry it away from the cap with 2 screwdrivers. With the head valve removed, now remove the seal. And now I can remove the piston stop. And now I can install the new piston stop. Now I'll place the head valve assembly back into the cap and on top of the spring. I'll compress the head valve down and press on the piston stop until it snaps into the cap. And I'll finish up by reinstalling the cap. And that's how you can install a new piston stop in your nail gun. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.